Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, we'll see how to make veg paneer roll or paneer hot dog in desi style. I'll also show you how to make hot dog bread very easily at home. Let's get started. We'll first activate the yeast, so for that take 1/4 cup warm water. Make sure you take warm and not hot water. To that add 1 teaspoon sugar and mix well. Next step is to add active dry yeast. So add 1 teaspoon and mix well. So whatever clings to your spoon, you can just take it off with your finger and put it back in the bowl. And after that, cover this and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes or till the yeast blooms. You would notice that the yeast would bloom, it would look like this. If it doesn't happen, please do not use that yeast, your bread would not puff up. It's very important. Now next step, in a bowl take 1 cup all-purpose flour or maida. To this add some salt as per your taste. Give this a good mix. And make a well in the center and then add the yeast mixture. And then slowly you need to mix the yeast and the flour. Then add a little water and make a soft dough. You would notice that the dough becomes slightly sticky, but that's okay. We are then going to knead this dough for 10 to 15 minutes and gradually the dough would come together and it would not be sticky. So take it out on your countertop or in a big parat or a plate and then stretch and pull the dough like this for 10 to 15 minutes. If you have a stand mixer, you can use that and you would need just 5 minutes in a stand mixer. After 5 minutes, add 1 teaspoon butter. The butter should be soft at room temperature. So you can see the dough has come together. Now in the same bowl you can put some oil so that the dough doesn't stick to the bowl. Coat the dough ball with some oil, cover and then let it sit in a warm place in your house for 1 to 2 hours or till the dough doubles. Meanwhile, let's prepare the stuffing. To some hot oil in a pan, add bay leaf, 8 black peppercorns and 2 cloves. Then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and saute this onion between medium to high flame till the onions turn slightly pink in color. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and saute this for 10 to 15 seconds or till you feel that the raw smell is gone. Then add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric and stir for 5 to 10 seconds and then add tomato puree. Simple, take 1 medium-sized tomato and grind it in your mixer grinder jar. Next add 1/2 teaspoon red chili powder. I'm using Biyadki red chili powder, that's why I've used 1/2 teaspoon. If you're using hot red chili powder, please do not add a lot, add as per your taste. Cover and cook till the oil separates from this masala. Give it a good mix. And then drop in 1/2 cup chopped spinach and 1/2 cup chopped cabbage. Yes, these two vegetables would enhance the taste of the stuffing to another level. Then add some salt as per taste. Give this a mix, add some water, cover and cook till the vegetables become soft. Now add 1/2 teaspoon Kitchen King masala or any other masala of your choice and then add chopped paneer. Make sure you chop the paneer into small cubes. Give this a mix, cover for just 1 minute and the stuffing is ready. Keep this aside. Here I've got food safety certified Oddy Ecobake parchment paper which I'm going to use today to line my baking tray. Oddy Ecobake can be used in baking, microwaving, steaming, grilling and air frying. It's eco-friendly and biodegradable. Stay tuned for a giveaway of this amazing wrap and one more wrap later in the video. You can use Oddy Ecobake for making cakes, cookies, muffins, dhokla, sandwich, etc. without the use of any oil or ghee for greasing the pan. Product comes out nicely as it doesn't stick to the surface of the pan. I'm lining my baking tray with Oddy Ecobake, but if you're using kadhai or pressure cooker for baking, you can also use it to line your tray or plate. Now look at the dough, it has doubled in size. Punch it in, then again knead for a minute. Don't worry, this time you don't need to knead it again for 10 to 15 minutes. Just a minute and then divide this dough into 4 portions. So the measuring cups and spoons I use have 1 cup equal to 240 ml. Now sprinkle some maida on your countertop or on your chakla. Then roll the dough into an oval shape. The thickness should be somewhere like a paratha or slightly thicker than that. Now roll the dough like this. Make sure you roll the dough tightly. This would add amazing layers in your hot dog bread, and then at the end pinch the ends, otherwise these may open in the second proving. Now you need to repeat this step with other hot dog breads. It looks small now, but later it would rise and you would get a normal sized hot dog bread. Now flatten the dough like this. Do not apply a lot of pressure, but just flatten a bit. Next step is to apply 1 tablespoon milk plus 1 tablespoon sugar mixture. So sugar and milk would caramelize when you bake these hot dog breads and you would get a nice color. If you eat egg, you can take out the yolk and apply it to get a nice color on top. Now cover this and let it sit till it doubles in size. If it's winters, it might take more time. In summers, it would take less time. So the idea or the criteria should be that the dough doubles in size. Now I'm again applying the milk and sugar mixture. You can follow the instructions given on the screen to bake these breads in your kadhai or pressure cooker, but remember the browning wouldn't be same which you would get in an oven. In a preheated oven at 220 degrees Celsius, now I'm going to bake these for 12 to 15 minutes. You might need little less or more time depending on your oven. Are you ready to participate in the Oddy Uniwraps giveaway contest? Well, it's very easy to participate. All you need to do is comment in this video what you would like to make with Oddy Uniwraps and Ecobake. Only one entry per person is allowed. Like this video, subscribe and follow YouTube and Instagram page of Oddy Uniwraps. Subscribe and follow the Terrace Kitchen YouTube, Facebook and Instagram. You can see the last date to participate in this contest on the screen. Up to 50 lucky winners would get Oddy Uniwrap as well as Ecobake. So what are you waiting for? Participate in the contest now. I hope you guys are equally excited for the giveaway contest the way I am. Okay, look at the bread. These look so beautiful. Look at the beautiful color which we have got. And yes, you need to keep both the rods on for your oven and keep the fan on if your oven has that option. Now after taking the bread out, apply some melted butter or oil. The crust of the bread would be slightly hard at this time, slightly, not a lot. It would soften as it cools down, but I'm going to just cover it and let it become warm. Wow, look at that, how easily the bread came off. And look at the beautiful color at the bottom as well. And the bread is really nice and soft with a beautiful crust on top. Use a serrated knife, otherwise if you take a normal knife you would end up squishing or killing the bread while slicing it this way. Wow, it's so amazing inside, and because we rolled it, it has got really nice texture. Now be generous while filling the paneer stuffing inside. The stuffing which we have made would be enough for this recipe. I mean, there would not be any leftover stuffing with these 4 hot dog breads. At the end you can pipe some mayo. So I've mixed my mayo with red chili sauce. And these are ready. If you want to carry these paneer rolls or any prepared food item in travel, picnic or store them in your refrigerator for later use, you can use food safety certified Oddy Uniwrap paper foil. Oddy Uniwrap is multi-purpose paper foil which you can use for storing ice cream, butter, cheese, herbs, etc. in the freezer or fridge to keep them fresh and healthy. You can use Oddy Uniwrap to reheat chapati, paratha, sandwich, dhokla, idli, etc. in oven, as it has a non-stick surface and it does not tear even if it gets wet. It can withstand temperatures from -10 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius. You can buy Oddy Ecobake and Oddy Uniwrap using the links given in the video's description box. So easy and convenient. I hope you like this recipe and would be happy to participate in the giveaway contest. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!